In this video, I'll explain Bybit Pre-Market Perpetuals trading. It's also known as a pre-market futures trading. Actually, they are the same thing. So, what does Bybit say about the purpose of pre-market perpetuals? Pre-market perpetuals allow users to trade perpetual contracts on upcoming tokens, letting them speculate on the future value of these tokens before they are officially launched on Bybit. If you have watched my videos about crypto pre-market spot trading, you already know what it means to trade a token before its listing. By scrolling down, you'll find all the available tokens, or more accurately, perpetuals, that you can choose to trade. Here, you can view the last trade price, 24-hour percentage change, total trading volume, and the number of participants. I'll use Major as an example since it has just been added to the Bybit Perpetual Pre-Market. As you can see, its total trading volume is currently 0, and there are no participants yet. I'm going to click the View button for Major USDT. This takes you to a typical future trading page. The idea is simple: you predict whether the price will go up or down, and create a long or short order accordingly. I have a 10.2 USDT available in my Bybit Unified Trading Balance. If you don't have USDT here, you can click Transfer to move funds from your funding account to your Unified Trading account. I'm not going to explain how trading works or go into details about trading instruments like margin mode or leverage here. Instead, I will show you a real example of how Bybit Pre-Market Perpetuals work. I'm going to trade using the market price. If you would like, you can select the limit tab to set a specific order price. For now, I'm going to input one major. So what should I choose? Do you think the price will go up or down? Let's play this game together. I would prefer to choose the sell short option. I'll hit the short button now. Failed to place the order. It turns out the minimum order value is 5 USDT. Okay. I'll adjust the quantity to 2 major coins and try again. Insufficient balance. Oh, I entered the wrong value. Let me fix that. Now it's correct. Clicking sell again. It opens up a pop-up showing all the order details. Order price is the last traded price, since I selected the market price. Alternatively, I could have specified a price using the limit tab. Quantity is 2 major coins. Order cost is 1.2217 USDT, but the order value is 6.36 USDT, almost 5 times higher because the default leverage is set to 5x. Liquidation price is 8.11 USDT, meaning I'll lose 1.2217 USDT if major's price reaches 8.11 USDT. I click confirm, and the order is submitted successfully. Scrolling down, I can see my current open position. My profit or loss is displayed in this field. My goal is to see the price drop and close my position with a profit. The negative scenario is if the price rises, in which case I'll need to close my position before it hits the liquidation limit. I'll pause the video here and come back a bit later. I see the price starting to go down, and my current earnings are 0.3 USDT. I decide to close my position at the current market price by clicking the Market button. Next, I'm going to confirm closing the entire position. Although you can select the amount you want to close if needed. My expected profit is 0.2643 USDT, including closing fees. My entire order has been filled. Clicking P&L provides all the details. The closest P&L is 0.2593 USDT. Opening fee is listed under its own column. Closing fee is listed under another column. Exit time and trading duration both are available in this table. My current trading balance is now 10.5 USDT. Before this trade, I had around 10.2 USDT, so I earned approximately 0.3 USDT. If I zoom in on the trading chart and select, for instance, a 5-minute time frame, I can see where I created an order, sell mark, and where I closed it, buy mark. Now, let me show you how to deposit funds into your unified trading account. Click Transfer. Select from Funding to Unified Trading. Choose the coin. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Click Confirm. Transfer completed. Now I have 10 more USDT in my unified trading balance. I want to show you another way to trade using the Limit tab instead of the Market tab. Let's say I want to create a position at a price of my choosing, rather than the current market price. For example, let's set the price below the current market price at 3.1. A risk alert pops up. The current order may be executed immediately as a market order. Confirm. You can review the order details if you want. Then confirm the limit order creation. The order is submitted successfully. Here is my opened position with a 3.12 USDT price. Not 3.1 as I initially set during the order creation process. This happens because if the price deviates from the market price, Bybit corrects it when placing the order using its internal logic or algorithms. The market price is here. Currently it's higher than my order price. Now let's wait for the market price to drop below the entry price. Here it is. Now I want to add a limit close order, so the position will automatically close at a specific price. Let's set it to 3.12. Click on the Current Orders tab. The new close short order is now visible here. It will close my short position when the price drops to 3.12. I'll pause the video and come back later. The entire order has been filled. Open the Order History tab to see the details of your last orders. Then go to the P&L section. Here you can find the entry price, exit price, and a small amount of profit. You'll also see the fees, exit type, and trade time listed here. The topic of futures trading is vast. Here I have simply shown you how futures trading works on Bybit. It functions similarly on any exchange platform. If you found this information useful, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and ask any questions in the comments down below. Remember, when trading futures or perpetuals, you are competing not only with the other traders, but also against the market maker. Market makers have a much better understanding of how to manipulate prices to earn money for themselves, the project, and the exchange platform.